Yeah, hi. This side Akash Rajput from JK Business School batch 2022. My topic for the presentation is chi-square distribution, which I have submitted it to the Dr. Swapna Sen ma'am. Now the introduction. The chi-square test is one of the most commonly used non-parametric tests in which the sampling distribution of the test statistics is a chi-square distribution when the null hypothesis is true. It can be applied when there are few or no assumptions about the population parameter. Third, it is used to evaluate unpaired unrelated samples and proportions. Now the definition. The chi-square x-square test is used to determine whether there is a significant difference between the expected and observed frequencies in one or more category. The x-square test was first used by the Carl Person in the year 1900. Now in this yellow rectangular box, the formula of chi-square test, where O refers to the observed frequencies and E refers to the expected frequencies. Chi-square distribution. The square of a standard normal variable is a chi-square variable with 1 degree of freedom. The distribution of chi-square depends on the degree of freedom. There is a different distribution for each number of degree of freedom. Properties of chi-square distribution. The mean of x-square distribution is equal to the number of degrees of freedom denoted by n. The variance is equal to 2 lines the number of degrees of freedom. Example, the variance of x-square distribution is equal to 2n. The median of x-square distribution divides the area of the curve into two equal parts, each part being 0.5. The mode of x-square distribution is equal to n minus 2. Now the applications of chi-square test. Here I've shown 3 points, three key points for that. First one is goodness of fit of distributors. The second one is test of independence of attributes, and the third one is test of homogeneity. Now the conditions for applying x-square test. The data must be in the form of frequencies. Secondly, all the items in the sample must be independent. Third, and the total frequency should be reasonably large, say greater than 50. Fourth, no theoretical cell frequency should less than 5. If it is less than 5, the frequency should be pooled together in order to make it 5 or more than 5. X-square test is wholly dependent on degree of freedom. So from whole of the understanding, I have taken 2 notes. First is, if x-square is 0, it means that the observed and expected frequencies coincide with each other. The greater the discrepancy between the observed and expected frequencies, the greater is the value of x-square. Thank you.